Good afternoon. My name is Jailer Ernesto Vargas Hernandez. I am business administration student at the SEAD of Vélez Santander. Following the activity guide, I give my opinion about the question related to topic of task number 4. In my opinion, I believe that the implementation of new technologies has brought negative and positive consequences. We cannot observe that technology is negative, affecting the state condition of our ecosystem. We can observe a deterioration of our nature since it has been allowing directly attract our environment reserve. The abuse of technology in activities such as construction has reached point where thousands of hectares have been deforested for the benefit of a few. And as a result of this affecting in cities and countries. In the same way, construction has intervened areas of environment importance such as wetland and reserve wetland, and taking into account that this brown effect such as global warming, the loss of biodiversity in both animal and plants, as could be observed in previous day, the fear that occurred in the launch on the world. In the Amazonas rainforest, with the planet was irreparably affected. I believe that the planet is going those a catastrophic crisis, and it can be observed that in the future the new generation will not be able to enjoy the diversity of plants and animals that we have today. From my point of view, the only way to stop the destruction of our ecosystem is that human beings become aware of the value that nature play in the life of society, and the role that is fulfilled of the law that govern this type of activities that affect nature. Creating plans of environment improvement where is forced movements will benefit from this type of activities to develop reforestation and nature conservation programs. Thank you. Bye.